Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert currency on PayPal. It's actually really simple, so let's get started. First, log into your PayPal account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the PayPal balance option. Click on the three dot icon next to it. Go to PayPal balance. Scroll down. Here, you'll see all your PayPal balances. For example, I already have PHP and USD listed. Here, you can add a new primary currency. Click on Add Currency and choose the currency you want. Next, click on the three dot icon next to the USD currency that I want to make primary. Select Make Primary. Set as primary. Click Done. And you've successfully changed your primary currency. And that's it. You've now set your new primary currency. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.